here is the mushroom samurai multiple purpose olive oil paste.
Okay, it looks fantastic with basil oil.
I'm Mushroom Samurai, a mushroom farmer in Tokyo, and today we have this great the smell of the basil that I harvest. And this one, a dried shiitake mushroom that I have harvested and I have dried out, and we're gonna make these two things together with creating a basil sauce with mushrooms.
Okay, ingredients of today. Today we'll make it simple with only 6 ingredients that everyone can make. First, basil, dry shiitake, salt, pine nuts, and parmesan powdered cheese, and the olive oil. And that's it.
Okay, let's mix these up. First, the blade needs some little bit of lubrication, so it takes, you add just about 2 teaspoons of the olive oil.
It's the pine nuts. It's ground like this. But if you don't have any like pine nuts, and you can add some like dry nuts or chestnuts if you have. If you don't have any dry shiitake, don't worry, just add some oyster mushrooms, and dry it out in the sun. Like in the summer it's very hot, so for 2 days or 1 day, and it will be fine.
Time to wash this basil. It's very hard on the stem, so I don't use this time. And look at this, there are so many basil today. Okay, let's mix it up. It's done. It's great, nice green and gray color with the shiitake mushroom, but the taste is, it has, because of the umami, it has much more deeper than the original basil paste that you can buy at the supermarket. And here is the Mushroom Samurai multiple purpose olive oil paste. Fantastic! Let's eat. I'm a little bit hungry. I didn't eat well at dinner today, so one bite. The mushroom, this basil paste, mushroom basil paste is so good. It has one of the different things is that it goes out really well with bread and the tomato. It has, the difference is it has the umami inside from the shiitake, and that makes this basil paste much more deeper, and I think I'm using with this paste with pasta, and add some pancetta inside, or another bacons or another things, or add some more mushroom inside. It will be very good flavorish basil pasta and pizza. And
really good thing with on using the mushroom, the fiber raises immunity, and it's low cost, and it's very reasonable, and three benefits to use this mushroom paste. It raises immunity. It has a stress resistant. It has stress resistant amino acid. One of the benefits using this shiitake mushroom, it raises immunity. It has anti-stress called amino acid called GABA, and it's good for the guts and the stomach. And please have it in your party or whatever with your friends, and bring it. And it's only in Japanese, but I have created my shopping site. I have created my shopping site. It's in the. I have created my shopping site. It's in the description below, so please have a look. I will create it for multi-country, Okay. I will create it as a multi-language, and I will deliver in multinational place with starting with a dried shiitake and other dried mushroom as well. So please take a look. It's so good. More. Great. I'm done. So I hope again, and see you soon. Please subscribe my channel if you like, and I will continue delivering the mushroom really focused dishes and all the information on my channel. So see you soon.
Okay, it looks fantastic with basil oil